This is a review of this international travel magnetic chessboard. Like I said, it is magnetic, so you can feel the magnetic pull on the pieces whenever you're just above the board. And this is about how magnetic they are. Even if they are this far, they stay on the board. In fact, I think if you're careful, you can even play upside down if you want to. Although I probably don't recommend it. But because it's so magnetic, it's certainly great for travel. You can play in the car, the pieces won't fall off the board or anything like that. The white pieces are kind of an off-white, almost slightly yellowish color, but they're certainly white. And then the black pieces are definitely dark black. I think they're good quality, nice aesthetic to each of the pieces. I think they're very nice and designed very well. The pieces are light, they're not cumbersome at all, and you can see the magnet there on the bottom. There's no extra king or queen, but you do get all the pieces that you need. The board itself measures just over 12 inches long. It's like 12 and a quarter inches. And that is both ways, of course. And of course you can clear the board and fold it in half to store all the pieces inside. They will just go freely inside like that. And then you can close it. So it's secure. It's not gonna go anywhere. And to open it, of course, you just gotta pull it open. It has a good snap to it. You definitely know they're secure in there. So that's my review. I recommend it. It's a great board.
There's a link in the description. If you order through that, I get a small commission. I would greatly appreciate it.